Hi guys, how are you today? So now I check the car Malibu 2023. Okay, it's like come on. Okay, no engine no star, run push no star. Okay, see. Now we can see the cold intake air temperature sensor, two circuits, high, low circuits, intake air, OC sensor, 1, 2, engine under push, intake air. Okay, this car, the problem with the map sensor, intake air temperature sensor, and OC sensor. Yeah. Okay. Now check the box. Okay. Now we can do. Now let's go. Okay.